Hello and welcome to another tutorial. In this one I will show you 4 easy ways to transfer your sketch to paper. So first we are going to use the window and sun method. Just tape your sketch to the window and then tape your paper to that sketch, and then just draw your sketch on the paper. It's a really simple way to transfer your drawing. This is the second method. We are going to use graphite on paper. So I take my sketch and a piece of paper. Here I'm going to flip the paper on the other side, and I'm going just to draw on the back using a 4B graphite. And I'm just going to scratch the shape that will occupy all of that drawing. And now I'm going to tape the paper onto the table. And I'm going to put the drawing on top and tape it also. And now with a pen or a pencil, you can just press the drawing onto the paper, and it will leave the drawing on the other side of the paper. And now we just take off the sketch out, and you can see it leaves the drawing on the other side. And that's it for this method. In this third way, we are going to use transfer paper. Now this is the transferred paper. It is opaque and transparent. You can see through it. And we are going to use it. Now first we are going to sketch the drawing onto the transfer paper. When drawing the sketch, make sure you have it on the right side when you flip it. This is an example, so I didn't mind making it like this. And now we flip it, the transfer paper, and draw on it again to transfer the drawing. I secure it with a little tape, and then I just draw again on top of the lines, and they will pass through. And now we take it out, and you can see the sketch is on the paper. I just draw again the lines because it's a little bit faded. And there you have it, another method to transfer the drawing to paper. And And now the last method, using a light box. For me, definitely, this is the best way and easiest and fastest way to transfer a sketch. One of my favorites. You just place the sketch and the paper on top and draw with any kind of medium pen or pencil. Now for big canvas or surfaces or woods or big papers, there are other methods to transfer your sketch to them, and I will leave a blog post talking about that, all the methods that you can use for big and small and thicker paper surfaces. So check it out on the description. I will leave a link to the blog post talking about this subject. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!